Welcome to Product Critique, where today we're looking at what we believe is the best mesh for your windows, the 48 inches x 102 window screen mesh, made from durable fiberglass material. Whether you're looking to replace an old screen or set up new ones, this product is designed to offer long-lasting protection and excellent airflow for your home. The screen is made of high-quality fiberglass mesh, offering incredible durability and flexibility. It provides up to 75% UV protection while still allowing for smooth airflow. Whether it's a hot summer day or rainy evening, this screen ensures that you can enjoy fresh air indoors without the pests or debris that come with open windows. The fiberglass material is resistant to wear and tear, making it an ideal choice for both window and door screens. Installation is incredibly easy. You can quickly replace your old screens or add new ones to any window or door, including sliding and patio doors. The mesh is easy to cut to size and install, giving your home a fresh, clean look without the hassle. Plus, it's versatile enough to use for both screen windows and doors, making it a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their home's airflow. In terms of durability, this window screen mesh is designed to withstand the test of time. It's resistant to sun damage, ensuring it remains effective for years, and you won't have to worry about it sagging or getting damaged with regular use. Plus, it's easy to clean, making maintenance a breeze. The mesh may arrive folded, but don't worry. Any creases will naturally disappear after installation, leaving you with a smooth, seamless look. It's a simple upgrade for anyone looking to improve their window screens or screen doors. If you're tired of replacing your screens every season, this fiberglass mesh offers a reliable, cost-effective solution. It's a smart investment for your home, ensuring both comfort and protection for years to come. That's it for today's review of the best mesh for your windows. Make sure to hit like and subscribe for more product reviews here on Product Critique.